Hello, my name is Dr. Jason Moore. Let me share with you how exactly a car injury or auto injury can help pay for your books, room and board, and college tuition. Now, how it works is that when you're in an auto injury, you're compensated for any permanent injuries, and you can use that compensation to pay for your college tuition, books, room and board. Let me show you how that works. When you have a permanent injury from an auto wreck, typically we see there is loss of range of motion, and another example would be a nerve damage. Another example would be damage to the discs in your spine. Now, when it comes to loss of range of motion, what our patients report to us in our office is typically they have stiffness in, say, their neck or back, even their shoulders and knees. When it comes to a disc injury, oftentimes the victim has suffered a disc bulge or herniation from the auto wreck. Now, when it comes to nerve injuries, what patients typically have as symptoms is numbness and tingling, weakness in their arms, burning pain in their extremities are some examples of that. People who are in auto injuries can also suffer concussions, and that's basically a brain bruise at the time. Some symptoms of that would be memory loss, so it's difficulty studying at school. Some examples would be balance issues, even headaches. So those can definitely affect your ability to concentrate and do well in your studies. Now, they also have, if you have a job, we can also document the lost wages, either past, present, or future lost wages. We can document those for you. Also, we document any medical care that you've received, such as chiropractic. Now, these injuries, we also want to document how these injuries have affected your daily life. Are you able to sit in class for long periods without any back pain or suffering? Are you able to focus on your studies and be able to sit in class for longer periods and do well in your schooling? We also document, are you able to take care of yourself like you before the accident, such as bathing and dressing yourself without any pain or disability on that particular example? Are you able to participate in the sports that you would like to around the college campus? Now, one way we document these injuries to support your claim is we can take x-rays of the damaged area. We can also refer you for MRIs to document any disc bulges or herniations. We also can set up nerve conduction velocity or nerve tests to diagnose and document any nerve injuries for your claim. We also, when somebody's in an auto injury and is injured in an area, you should know that there's typically 3 phases of healing, and each phase of healing has its own separate, distinct treatment protocol that should be done. The first phase of healing is called the inflammatory phase. Now, what we want to do in this phase is decrease pain and inflammation in the area. The second phase of healing is called the repair phase of healing. What we want to do in this particular area is we want to mobilize the joints, the damaged joints, to increase its flexibility and range of motion, all for the purpose of getting to the remodeling phase of healing, so there's no permanent injury. In that remodeling phase of healing, we are trying to rehabilitate the area, to strengthen the area, to make sure that there's no permanent disability for the rest of your life. Now, if you have been in an auto injury, feel free to give us a call. We will offer you a free consultation to our office. We will give you 2 free x-rays if necessary. We will also offer you a free 30-minute massage here at our office, and actually 1 chiropractic treatment. So if you're in pain and you've been in an auto accident, we can help you. Give us a call at 304-523-7891.